Look at this. This is a WordPress website with a cookie banner installed. The banner is visible. The user hasn't clicked anything yet. And Google Analytics is already running underneath it. That means the consent banner is decorative. It's not actually blocking anything. And under EU cookie consent rules, that is non-compliant. This is one of the most common mistakes WordPress website owners make. And today I'm going to show you how to fix it, for free. The tool we're using is Termly. It's a consent management platform that does two things a basic cookie banner plugin cannot. First, it scans your website and finds every cookie automatically. Second, it technically blocks all non-essential scripts until the user gives consent. The free plan covers most small business websites. Go to the Termly website. I will leave the link in the description. Click Try for free. Enter your email address and create a password, or use the Sign Up with Google option. Once you're in, you'll land on your Termly dashboard. Click on New Website or Mobile App. Enter your website URL. I'll use plainprivacy.org for this demo, a test WordPress site set up specifically for this tutorial. Enter your business information details. Click the checkbox below, and then click Save. After that, you will be redirected to the dashboard. Click on Consent Management in the drop-down menu on your left-hand side, then click on Consent Banner. After that, you will see the Install button in the top left corner. Click on it, and then click Scan Now. This is where Termly does something most basic plugins cannot. It scans your website and finds every single cookie: analytics, advertising, functional, necessary. You don't need to know what cookies your site uses. Termly finds them for you. The scanning process depends on the size of your website, but it shouldn't take too long. Here are the results. Termly has found and categorized every cookie on the site. Google Analytics categorized as analytics. Any advertising scripts categorized as advertising. Your session cookie categorized as necessary. This scan result is what generates your cookie policy automatically. Every cookie listed, described, and categorized. Exactly what regulators expect to see. Next, we are going to implement the banner on the website. Click on Embed, choose WordPress, and click Copy to Clipboard. To copy the API key, we will use in the Termly WordPress plugin. Now go to your WordPress admin page, click on Plugins, and then Add Plugin. Type Termly in the search box. Install the Termly plugin and activate it. After activation, the Termly plugin will be visible in your WordPress plugin list. Click on the Termly plugin, paste the API key we copied earlier, and click Save API Key. Next, click on Banner Settings. Toggle on the consent banner to make it visible on your website. It is also advisable to enable the auto blocker. This will block scripts that set cookies before the user gives consent. Finally, click Save Changes. After that, the banner should be visible on your domain. Now the most important step, test it properly. Open your website in a private browser window. Before clicking anything on the banner, press F12 to open DevTools. Click Application, then Cookies. You should see only necessary cookies at this point. No Google Analytics, no advertising scripts. Nothing that requires consent loading yet. Now click Accept on the banner. Go back to DevTools and refresh. Now you'll see the analytics cookies appear, because the user has just given consent. That is a compliant cookie implementation. Scripts blocked before consent, scripts released after consent. Exactly what regulators expect. One more thing. Let's go back to the Termly website to complete the final step. Under GDPR and similar regulations, it is generally considered best practice to allow visitors to change their consent preferences at any time, even after they have already opted in through your consent banner. We will embed a small piece of code into our website footer so visitors can change or withdraw their consent at any point. Click Copy to Clipboard and go to your WordPress admin page. You can add this code via your theme footer. Go to Appearance, then Theme File Editor. Find footer.php and paste the script before the closing body tag. If you use a page builder like Elementor or Divi, you can also add it as an HTML block in your footer. After that, go back to your website. You will now see a Cookie Preferences link. Click it, and visitors will be able to change or withdraw their consent at any time. The default banner template is fully compliant, but if you want to customize it, you can go to Consent Management and then Consent Banner. Keep in mind 3 things that must always be correct. First, the Decline button. Make sure Decline or Reject All is clearly visible. The same visual weight as Accept. Termly includes it by default. Do not remove it or make it smaller than Accept. Second, Categories. Your banner must show separate consent categories: Necessary, Analytics, Marketing. Termly sets these up automatically from your scan. Leave them as they are. Third, Pre-selections. Check that Analytics and Marketing are not pre-ticked. Only necessary cookies should be enabled by default. Everything else must start off. You can also match your banner colors to your website and choose your preferred display style. Click Save when done. That's it. Your WordPress website now has a fully compliant cookie consent banner. Installed, configured, and tested in under 7 minutes. The free Termly plan covers everything we just did. Link is in the description below.